imagine your mother, your father missed an opportunity of visitation. So now you are being barricaded by the enemies. Use campini yesitha, and kule camp yesitha, you are growing kule camp yesitha, not because there was sin or other thing, but because you missed an opportunity of visitation. When God visited you, you missed that opportunity of realizing the God that comes into your space and begin to influence your life, and that revelation of seeing things with a different eye, not always analyzing things in a negative way. I was looking at the dimensions of dreams. I've realized that some of the dreams are exposing your emotional position. If you are hanging in the dream, you are hanging, it does not have nothing to do with it has to do with you are at the space where you have to make a decision and you don't know how to make a decision. If in the dream, some of you dream running away, it's because that as you are now running away from a situation that you need to confront and overcome. So the dream exposes you in terms of what is happening in your natural life. So because God can only talk to you in a dream, because when he talks to you whilst you are listening, you have a situation that you are running away from. I just want to be able to show you the few basics of this revelation that God can be able to bring into your life. So that even the people that are closer to you, don't take for granted of those people that God will bring into your life. Because you never know what they are bringing in Piloniago. Are you with me, Bazalwan? The biggest challenge, Bazalwan, it's an attitude. And that attitude is what is making the Christians in this season uze into zabo zidile. Sigcine sesifuna amanzi nayo yonke lezinto esisifunayo because izinto zethu asifiki ngale ndlela efuna ukuthi sifike ngazo. Are we still together? Amen.